So welcome. Today we are going to look at the histological organization of the thyroid gland. The thyroid gland is an endocrine gland. It is a ductless, does not have ducts, in that its secretions are released directly into the bloodstream. So as you can see from here, it has a capsule, so it is an encapsulated gland. Capsule, maybe a closer view will help you to see that clearly. So yes, this is the capsule over here. I hope you can see the capsule here. Then you can see the capsule is sending in some septa or trabeculi to lobulate the gland into several lobules each. Then each lobule consists of aggregations of follicles. So we can look at the follicles, the thyroid follicles. So here you can see some aggregations of follicles like this. This is a follicle. This one, this whole is a follicle. This is another follicle. Also, this is another follicle. So the follicles are made up of follicular cells which surround a follicular cavity. Okay, so maybe I should show you the follicular cells. Follicular cells. So I've said these are the follicular cells. I hope you can see them. Follicular cells. You can see they are surrounding a cavity. This is the follicular cavity. The follicular cavity is filled with this. You can see this pink homogeneous substance. This is the haematoxylin, H&E stain. This is the H&E stain. The homogeneous material is the colloid. Now, colloid consists of iodinated thyroglobulin. Thyroglobulin is a glycoprotein produced by the follicular cells here, which is secreted into the follicular cavity and combines with iodine to form iodinated thyroglobulin, this colloid. Okay, so maybe this is the septa. This is a trabeculi. This one here, yes. So you have seen the colloid, and these are the follicular cells. So these aren't the only cell types in the thyroid gland. We also have paraphericular cells. So paraphericular cells are like these ones. They do not line the follicular cavity. They are found in the spaces between the follicles. The spaces, let me show you a good example of paraphericular cells. So like this pointed here. Okay, this is a parafollicular cell. Also this, I want you to note that they are not lining the follicular cavity. Like these ones which are lining at the follicular cells, but like this one is a parafollicular cell. Can you note how its cytoplasm is? It is clear. So that is why from the word clear, it is either called a parafollicular cell or a C cell. So remember that the parafollicular cells, their embryological origin is different from the follicular cell. Parafollicular cells originate from the ultimobranchial body, which originates from the fourth pharyngeal pouch. Okay, its caudal portion. The caudal portion of the fourth pharyngeal pouch has the ultimobranchial body. Remember, the ultimobranchial body initially was, it is derived from the neurocrest cells. So essentially, these are derivatives of the neurocrest cells, the paraphericular cells. The paraphericular cells, they secrete the calcitonin hormone. Calcitonin hormone, it lowers serum calcium levels in the blood. Its function is to lower calcium levels in the blood. How does it lower? It inhibits the activity of the osteoclasts. It inhibits, by inhibiting the activity of the osteoclasts, we lower bone resorption. It also increases renal excretion of calcium. So it works. The function of calcitonin is to lower serum calcium level. So it is antagonistic to the parathyroid hormone. Parathyroid hormone, it increases serum calcium levels. Okay, so the follicular cells, these follicular cells, they produce two hormones, T3, or the triiodothyronine, and T4, tetraiodothyronine, or commonly known as thyroxine. Thyroxine is T4, triiodothyronine is T3. So, but T3 is active than T4. T3 is more active than T4. So, remember, the thyroid gland is acted upon by thyroid stimulating hormone, which is produced by the thyrotrophs of the adenohypophysis. Adenohypophysis is what people commonly call the anterior pituitary lobe, adenohypophysis. But also remember, thyroid stimulating hormone is produced under the influence of the thyrotropin releasing hormone, which is produced by the hypothalamus. Okay, so the sequence is that the hypothalamus produces thyrotropin releasing hormone. It is transported to the adenohypophysis by the hypothalamo-hypophyseal portal system. Then in the adenohypophysis, it stimulates the thyrotrophs to produce thyroid stimulating hormone, or the other name of thyroid stimulating hormone is thyrotropin. Then the thyroid stimulating hormone is transported in the blood to the thyroid gland, where it stimulates the production of T3 and T4. But remember, T4, tetraiodothyronine or thyroxine, is the major one produced. T3 makes up a smaller percentage. So these are, again, this is the paraphericular cell. And I want you to see how highly vascularized this gland is. This is a capillary. This is a capillary. This is a capillary. This is a capillary. There are very many capillaries. Also that, very, very many capillaries. Let me show you another cluster of capillaries. There are very many capillaries. Since it is an endocrine, yes, this is a capillary here, capillary, capillary. So this pink substance, homogeneous material, is the choroid. I've said it contains iodinated thyroglobulin. So yeah, thank you for, also remember to subscribe for more content. Thank you.